Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Look for the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press it firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. This key is essential for the next step. Now that the emergency key is out, find the small notch located near where the key blade was. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, you can begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the internal components. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making home cleaning a breeze. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click into place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.